write the sum 1/2 minus 2/3 plus 3/4 minus 4/5 plus 5/6 minus 6/7, that should sort of say so on, so on, so on, all the way up to plus 99 over 100. So we need to write that sum using sigma notation. So sigma notation means it's got some kind of sigma in. It tells you where you start from, so I'm going to use k's, so what the first value of k is, and it tells you where you finish. So this is a finite sum. It only goes up to well, if that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it looks like there's going to be 99 terms, so it's a finite number of terms. So we need to find an algebraic rule that for any value of k, so if k is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it will give me the exact term in the sequence. So some of it's very easy. The difficult bit is the changing signs. So you can see this is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So we need a way that we're going to actually, how are we going to make a rule that changes the sign each time? So let's start with the easy bit. So if I go from k equals 1 to 99, so that tells me we start, the first value of k we use is 1, it's like a counter, and then we go k equals 2, k equals 3, k equals 4, all the way up to k equals 99. So this is telling me what to sum. So that's the first bit, is 99 terms. I'm going to leave a space here because that's the complicated bit, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to look at the numerator and the denominator of all of these fractions. So if you imagine k is 1, the numerator is 1, k is 2, the numerator is 2, k is 3, it's 3, and so on. So it looks like the top of that fraction, the numerator, is just k. If you look at the denominator, well, it's always one more. So if k is 1, the denominator is 2. If k is 2, the denominator is 3, all the way up to when k is 99, the denominator is 100. So that is one more than k. So it's k plus 1. Now in here, we need something that turns k into a positive sign, or a plus sign, or a minus sign, depending on the value of k. So the way you do that is by raising minus 1 to powers. And it's basically, if you want the first term to be positive, and we do in this case, then you're going to have to raise minus 1 to an even power. So because minus 1 to the k, well, that would, minus 1 to the 1 would be minus 1, but I want it to be 1. So I can either go k plus 1 or k minus 1, and the standard way of writing it is k minus 1. So I just left myself not quite enough space, over k plus 1. So that is the final answer. So it says the summation of from k equals 1 to k equals 99 of minus 1 to the power of k minus 1 times k over k plus 1. So that is this exact series written down using sigma notation. I'll just show you, just prove it with a couple of terms. So say k equaled 1, you have minus 1, so the term, or the term would be minus 1 to the power 1 minus 1, which is 0, times 1 over 2. So minus 1 to the 0 is 1, 1 times a half is a half. If we go all the way up to the end, so k equals 99, we have minus 1 to the power 99 minus 1, 98. Minus 1 to any even power is going to be just 1, times, well, it's k over k plus 1, 99 over 100. So that would be 1 times 99 over 100. It would be positive, so that works.